Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell, we're in our greenhouse today. And we got a little work to do. I'll get this up for a minute. The top fields a little bit. So, in our last video, we built some pallet tables in our new greenhouse. And since we've been working in here a little bit, there's becoming a little bit of a mud problem. So we're trying to solve it. And in order to solve it, this is what we come up with. So, you know I'm all about reusing stuff. I mean, if I can use it and it's free, I'm gonna use it. Some old wooden spools. These are halves that were thrown away. We're gonna use these as basically a stepping stone to keep us from making this place muddier than what it already is. So we're going to lay these down on the floor of this greenhouse. We'll flip it around here, show you what kind of muddy problem we got, and then we're going to show us putting these down as stepping stones. If you enjoy this content, leave me a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends, because we're trying to grow as big as we can. We're going to flip it around, show you into the mud. Stay tuned. So as you can tell, it's raining out here. I'm going to try to denoise that as much as I can, but this is what we've got going on. The water's standing in the bottom of that. I'm not sure how it's really getting in, but I know that like the top of this holds a lot of water, as you can see there. But we're going to try to cover up these mud holes. I mean, you got where I've been walking here. All that's basically turned to mud. So we're going to lay these down in hopes that we can keep the mud issue down. So we're going to get them. Now I know what you're saying. Big E, that looks stupid as heck. But my feet won't be muddy. So I run out of wooden spool halves. I didn't necessarily have to double them up like I did, but I was just trying to cover up that grass there in the middle, so hopefully it don't grow. But this is going to give us a little bit of a drier ground to be able to walk on, because we'll be walking on wood instead of straight up mud and getting our boots stuck in the mud. So this helped us. At least my boots won't be getting dirty. Brunt work boots. They're better than the last pair I bought. Now if we can get a few more just to step out here until we get to where it's not going to be holding as much water, we'll be fine. But if you enjoyed this content, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.